How to manage sound access on Google Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage sound access on Google Chrome mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Google Chrome and click these 3 points here, and then click settings, and now go down until you find site settings and click on it, and then go down and you will find this one, sound here, and now you can manage sound settings and you can add a site exception, and then just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.